Dividing numbers by 2, applying quick and easy steps. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. Pwede ring 24. Kalahati ng 24, 12. Kalahati ng 6, 3. So, we can make a shortcut using this method. Let's have another example. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. So answer in shortcut, 432. Let us try to divide numbers not divisible by 2. 7 and 9 cannot be divided by 2. So gawin natin itong divisible by 2. So 7, gawin natin 6. May remainder tayong 1. I-carry natin yung 1 dito. Magiging 19 na yan. 19 cannot be divided, so we go down. 18. Yung 1 na remainder, dalhin natin doon sa kabila. Magiging 14 na ito. Kasi may 4 dito, magiging 14. So lahat ng number na ito ay divisible na sa 2. So we can start dividing na. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 18 divided by 2, we have 9. 14 divided by 2, we have 7. So our answer is 397, applying quick and easy steps. Another example. Lahat ng numbers dito hindi divisible ng 2, kaya gawin natin itong divisible by 2. 7 cannot be divided, so we go down. 6. May remainder na 1. Dalhin natin sa kabila, magiging 15. 15 ay hindi divisible ng 2, kaya bababa tayo sa 14. May remainder 1. Lagay na naman natin remainder dito. Magiging 13. 13 ay hindi divisible ng 2, meaning we go down 12. So may remainder tayong 1. Ang 1 cannot be divided by 2, kaya ito magiging decimal digit na. Kaya lagyan natin ng 0 para ma-divide natin ng 2. Pero dito na yan sa decimal digit. So we can start dividing. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 14 divided by 2, we have 7. Then we have 12 divided by 2, we have 6. 10 divided by 2, we have 5. Pero dito na yan sa ating decimal digit na yan. Kasi di na yan sa whole number. So ang ating answer, 376.5. Applying quick and easy steps.